Uh-oh. My stick went limp. 1 minute, 14 seconds later. I know, man. When you get stranded on Gilligan's Island with Ginger and Mary Ann, you're not going to have duct tape. Oh well. Another 1 minute and 17 seconds later, I have found my 40-meter shit hits the fan desperation mode antenna. Hang on. 20-meter desperation shit hits the fan wire reinstalled. About 2 minutes because it was laying on my deck. Hang on. 40-meter end-fed half-wave shit hits the fan desperation wire reinstalled. About 5 minutes. Let's go for a walk. I'm going to hold this phone at the forehead level and you can see the wire. It's about 6 feet high. Hang on. Rest in peace, 17-meter elevated test vertical. The bands were shit. We'll visit you another day. Hang on. Little schmo, you used to blow, but not no mo. See the alligator clip? He's clipped to my new 81-to-1 tap, which I added to the 64-to-1 tap by adding 3 more turns, all piled on top of each other. Let's look at initial tuning. Hang on. Sorry about the fan running right next to me. It's freaking hot and muggy here. So I've got the 20-meter SHTF Chaos wire reconnected to the double core FT14043 unun. Again, connected to a last minute 81-to-1 tap. And what do we call the double core? If I exceed its parameters, I could get it hot if I had a linear. Then I'd call it the Hot Twins. But I don't have a linear. Hang on. Handheld shakes. Straight from the streets an hour north of Detroit. Like that has anything to do with it. Okay, so having taken that 20-meter wire down and put it back up. Well, is this hard to adjust with looking at a camera? That's what I've got for a resonant frequency right now. At the bottom of the band. And it will be a CW contest, so yeah, I'm going to lengthen that 20-meter wire by maybe 3 inches. Hang on. And having taken that wire completely down and put it back up, that's my resonant frequency. And at the bottom of the band it rises to about 1.3, which is fine, but I feel like screwing around. So I'm going to go out and adjust. I'm going to make about a 6-inch change in the 40-meter wire there. And I'm going to lengthen it about 6 inches. Hang on. Okay, that took about 1 minute and 29 seconds. And I lengthened it about 3 inches and went, for the CW contest, I'd say I went perfectly. Time for the 40-meter wire. Hang on. Okay, 1 minute 52 seconds, because it's on the other side of the yard. And sadly, I'm winded. Resonant frequency 14.011. Yes, we're ready. We're ready. 73. Thanks for putting up with my BS. It gets deep at times.